Welcome back, everyone. It's what, second week of November? I got my campfire stand put up for the year. Thought I'd run some numbers. Okay. On first year doing it, it was not by the road. It was not facing the road. It's literally sitting out here in the driveway, and I'll throw a picture in right now how it was. So it didn't have the roadside attention that it could, but I really ain't got a flat spot out here by the road. It's banks on both sides. I'd have to have it on the edge of the driveway, and you still wouldn't be able to see it real well. So I just that and theft and whatnot, which I'm gonna talk a little bit about that, which I was pretty lucky this year. So I ran this is just Facebook Marketplace, and whoever's drive by and word of mouth or nosy or whatever from people. So I had the 15 and 20 available, and then I had this 20 and 25 available, so 45, 35, so 80 bucks. I said, get all four for 60 bucks. Your guy messaged me, said, oh, I'll be there tomorrow. He messaged me the next day, says on the way. I said, you want all fours, put 50 in there. Get it all. And that's a 3x3, 3x3, and then 2x3. So 6 square times by 1.33. It's close to like a fifth of a cord, base cord. This is just over a quarter of a cord. Not quite. Yeah, it's over a quarter of a cord. So face cord, anyway. So on some numbers, this doesn't include the four I just said, the package deal. On the $15 slot, I sold one, and they only put $7 in, so 50% off. A little bit of a theft. I mean, what do? People are just, I don't know. I mean, if you use that hard up for money, not even 50%. $20 premium slot, I sold 3. $20 regular slot, I sold 6. This other $20 regular slot, I sold 5. And this other $25 premium, I sold 2. So 1, 2, 4, 10, 16, 19 slots. That's what I sold. What kind of dollar amount? I don't know. I'd have to throw it in here somewhere. And then figure out what's going on there. But just something more convenient. You know, not everybody wants a face cord wood when they want to go camping or whatever, you know. They just want a little slot or a big slot. Improvements for next year, I think I'm gonna make this slot here another premium, because I didn't sell a lot of premium slots this year, and I still got a bunch of wood that I can put in there. That's something we'll look at. With only selling really one solo slot on the end for 15. I don't know, might make that just another I don't know. I think about that one. But yeah, for first year of Driveside, self-serve firewood stand, I think it did pretty good. I mean, I had a few regulars that stopped by. Like I said, not everybody wants a face cord of wood. I don't know, 3x3. That's actually more or less a half. It's actually less, but you understand my verbiage. We'll see what comes up. But I definitely want to make some more changes. I'll show you. I want to make some kind of wheeled cart. It's got some sandblast sand in it. Sorry about that. That will fit. That will cup these 4x4s and have an axle with wheels underneath to make it more movable. Because right now, come along to that oak 2x6, and it kind of scratch legs, you know what I mean? But if I put that on a wheel, then I'll use the bale spear off the tractor and just ratchet strap. Hook the bottom two underneath and run the spear through the slot like I did last year. That's how I moved it out, you know. That video up here somewhere. And then because if I can just pick this up, and then that side be on a wheel, and then I can pretty much drive her in. I can get her backed in here. Because I don't want this thing set outside all year, you know. But yeah, I feel like it's pretty successful. I mean, it definitely paid for the 2x6s, and because that's pretty much all I had to buy was the 2x6s. The rest of this was torn down chicken coop, post, and walls and whatnot. And this metal trim up here I had, and the sheet of metal I had, which it ended up draining out pretty good because I folded these ends up at an angle like such, and it would just run off the rib, and then I put some slots where the water could come out, which it worked really great, you know. Money box, good shape. Basically, okay, so sold solo 5 slots off this at $20. That was $16 away or $14 away from the wood that I bought for this. And then I sold 6 here, so that's $120. That's $100 profit. Here I sold 2 solo, so it's $50. $150. 3 here, it's 60, 210, and 217. So $217 after I bought materials, and well, I had to buy the box. I think I was like $30. So I don't know, just call it $200. Let's just call it that. Because I sold some guy wanted some longer wood. So I went around the field with the yard cart, and just cut some like 18, 20-inch sassafras or whatever. And then I just charged him $20. So about $200 profit on, I don't know. But total, I don't know. I'm starting to lose my mind right now. There's too many numbers being thrown out. So I feel like I was pretty successful. You know, if it was sitting up by the road, I'd have more theft. I'd have more sales. But it would even out. You know what I'm saying? It'd probably go more theft than sales. So yeah, that's a hedge they cut from the neighbors. That was free. It's starting to get seasoned out. It's getting real nice and purple. That's when you know she's dry. But yeah, it's going pretty well, I think. I haven't sold a lot out here. I've sold a couple cords out of here, probably. 2, 4, 6, 8, divided by 3, almost 3 cord. Then these are like 1.25. I don't know. I've still got some out here. It's no biggie. Then there's like the long stuff, the neighbor 18-20-inch stuff, sassafras. Went ahead and just made him another one if he wanted it or did not want it. Well, I can toss it in my stove. It's out of the pasture line there, so that's good. But yeah, I feel like it was pretty successful. I should make these rows a little taller in the back instead of shorter. Well, anyway, we'll catch you guys on the next one. Still got a little bit of sycamore here. That's what I've been putting in the regular economy slots, barkless stuff. A lot of this just needs to bust the rest of the bark, and I'll be set for next year. What I'll end up doing is stacking a bunch more of this so I can get more of this in here, which I'll be able to put another 3 rows in, which would be 2, 4, 6, 2 brick, another 2 cord over here. So yeah, we'll catch you guys on the next one. See y'all.